Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account on mobile app. Simply just launch the Facebook application on your mobile device and we will move in the right bottom corner is a menu. Just scroll down, just find the settings and privacy, and after here just tap on it the account center meta, and from here just tap on the personal details simply as well, and just find the account ownership and control, just tap on it as well. So here is the second option is deactivation or deletion, so just tap on it. So simply just choose your account as well. So deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So just tap on it continue as well. Simply just if we just create the page, so page will also will be deactivated, and I will be just tap to continue. So from here you will just put your password simply as well, and your account was deactivated on mobile app. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.